Ever wondered where your money's really going each month? The income and expense report gives you a clear picture, so you can make smart decisions and stay in control of your finances. In this video, we'll see how everything you've done so far, like categorizing transactions, comes together to give you your first real insights. To keep things simple, here's where we are in your onboarding journey. 4. Income and expense view, your first insights. This report shows you what you're earning, what you're spending, and how it all balances out. It's your first big picture view of your finances in PocketSmith. Don't worry if the numbers look off at first, that's normal. As you refine categories and budgets, this report becomes more accurate and powerful. Here's what you'll find in this report. Navigating the report. Categories are listed on the left. Expand or collapse subcategories using the arrow. Totals for income and expenses are at the bottom. And the summary line at the top shows you your surplus or deficit. Columns explained. Budgeted equals planned amounts. Actual equals what happened. Difference equals the gap between budgeted and actual. Actual figures are clickable. Hover to see the details or click through for transactions. Important note, if you haven't set up budgets yet, the difference column won't apply. For now, focus on the actual column. That's the middle column because it shows what's really happening with your money. Settings panel. On the left, you can toggle transfers, rollovers, nest categories, and show percentage of total. These options let you customize your view. Date range. Adjust the date range at the top. Choose presets like rolling month or set a custom range. Saved reports and filters. Create saved reports for different areas like personal versus business. Use account filters to include or exclude accounts. Saved reports are a huge time saver, especially if you manage multiple accounts or entities. To open the report, go to Reports, click Income and Expense. Then explore the Settings panel, adjust the date range, and click into Transactions for detail. Try creating a saved report for one area of your finances. Transfers, why they matter. Make sure you include transfers in your report. I've set up a transfer category as expense only so we can check if transfers net to zero. If they don't, you'll need to dig deeper. Look for transactions that don't have a matching credit and debit, which are categorized currently as transfers. If only one side of the transaction exists in PocketSmith, recategorize it to the correct expense or income category. This step ensures your report reflects reality and avoids inflated totals. Tips and best practices. Check this report regularly. Monthly is ideal. Use subtotals and filters to spot trends. And remember, the more accurate your categories, the more useful this report becomes. So now you know how to read and customize your income and expense report. Before the next session, take a few minutes to explore it. Adjust the date range, toggle settings, and click into transactions. Next up, we'll take things up a notch and build your first budget. This is where PocketSmith really shines, helping you plan ahead and stay in control. See you there.